Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns for an LLP. We'll cover the essential forms you need, important deadlines to remember, and common deductions that can help reduce your tax liability. Plus, I'll point you towards valuable resources to ensure your filing is accurate and stress-free. Let's get started on simplifying your LLP tax process. For federal taxes, LLPs generally file Form 1065, the U.S. Return of Partnership Income. This form reports the LLP's overall financial activity. Each partner then receives a Schedule K-1 detailing their individual share of the income, deductions, and credits. The typical filing deadline for calendar year LLPs is March 15, but you can request an extension using Form 7004 if you need more time. When filing, you'll report all your business income accurately on Form 1065. Don't forget to claim common deductions like salaries, rent, and office supplies, which can significantly lower your taxable income. Also, consider depreciation of assets and explore any available tax credits to further reduce your overall tax liability. It's all about maximizing your benefits. Remember, as a partner, you'll report your share of the LLP's income from Schedule K-1 on your personal Form 1040. You'll also need to account for self-employment tax on your distributive share. Keep in mind that state tax requirements for LLPs vary widely, so it's crucial to check your specific state's rules. For complex situations, always consult a qualified tax professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.